know that ear seeds can provide natural relief from chronic pain, anxiety, and stress? Many of us struggle with finding effective and safe ways to manage these conditions. Ear seeds offer a simple yet powerful way to restore balance and harmony within your body, providing relief from a wide range of conditions without the need for medication or invasive procedures. Ear seeds are tiny, adhesive seeds that you strategically place on specific acupressure points on your ear. By applying gentle pressure to these points, ear seeds stimulate the release of endorphins, the body's natural pain-relieving and mood-regulating chemicals.
I finally tried ear acupressure and it has been amazing for my anxiety.
These pretty little ear pellets relieve my back pain and headaches naturally.
No back pain, no, I have not complained at once. Everybody noticed the difference.
Join the growing movement of people taking control of their well-being with ear seeds.
So this is Keisha. Say hi, Keisha.
Hi, Keisha.
We are here in the Ear Seeds HQ, and we're trying to figure out which is the best shade of ear seeds for Keisha. She's kind of somewhere between, this is the mid-tone, and this is our bronze tone. And Keisha, tell us about what's going on with you that you're here getting your ear seeds.
My neck and shoulder hurt. Hurt my, what is this? Cervical? Is that what you called it, Ellie?
Cervical, yeah.
Yeah, because you checked my ear and you're like, I can see it in your ear. You hurt somewhere on your cervical.
Yeah,
and I was like, I did. That's exactly where it hurt.
What we got?
So which one should we go for? Maybe we'll go for the bronze?
I think the bronze is good. Yeah. There we go.
Okay, so we're gonna put this right on the neck point, the cervical point, which is exactly where this protrusion is coming out of.
What does that protrusion mean?
It means there could be some type of pain, stiffness, injury in the neck or cervical area. So for the shoulder, we go out a little bit in this groove over here, the lower part, a little bit higher for the shoulder muscle.
Nice. They blend really well.
I mean, they feel great. Thanks, and this should help me feel better.
Absolutely.
How long to take effect?
Some people feel effects same day, immediately. Some people even say 20 minutes or an hour. Some people, depending how chronic it is, could take a number of days.
Can I leave these on here?
Leave these on about 3 to 5 days. You can wear them while you're showering as well.
Okay.
And replace them.
Great.
Keep us posted on how you're feeling.
Will do.
Excellent. Cool. There's Keisha. So we are here at night going for a walk around Las Vegas. And what was that you just said to me?
I said, these ear seeds are great.
Why?
My neck has not been, normally it's chronic. It's always achy and throbby. And I get like a little bouncy ball about this size. And I have to roll it on the wall just to loosen up.
Oh, like between your neck and the wall?
But with these ear seeds, I haven't felt the need or the urge to go do that. You know, like that deep pressure.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
It just like loosens
It's
it?
relieving whatever, that clavicle spot, let me tell you.
Does your ear hurt or does it feel like warm at all?
It's tender, but I like the way it feels. It's like a pressure point, you know, like, and it's going to be a little tender, like when you pressure point your hand or whatever. Same thing with your ear.
Yeah. But your neck's feeling better.
Yeah.
That's
I mean,
cool.
it's like good pain on my ear because I know that my neck feels great and it doesn't even hurt unless I press it. And giving that pressure point the pressure.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then it hurts.
Yeah, and then it hurts, but then it subsides and I forget they're even there.
That's so cool. Yay.